Ever wondered what makes Tesla's new e-bike so extraordinary? Curious if it can truly replace your car for daily commuting? And what's in store for Tesla's future in the e-bike market? You're about to find out. Stick with us because we're diving deep into these burning questions and revealing everything you need to know to decide if Tesla's e-bike is the future of your ride. So, let's get started. In 2023, Tesla had a fantastic year, but 2024 is looking even better. Why? Because Elon Musk, the famous inventor and CEO of Tesla, has just announced something super exciting. Tesla is going to make an electric bike, or e-bike. This news has everyone buzzing. But what makes Tesla's e-bike so special? Let's find out. Elon Musk is known for his amazing ideas. He's the brain behind SpaceX, which sends rockets to space. And he also runs Tesla, the company that makes cool electric cars. In a recent interview with a journalist named Kara Swisher, Musk mentioned that he didn't like electric scooters because they can be dangerous. But he loves the idea of e-bikes. And guess what? Now, Tesla is making one. You might be wondering why Tesla decided to make an e-bike now. Well, e-bikes are becoming very popular. In fact, 59% of Americans who ride bikes now use e-bikes. People love them because they make riding easier and more fun. Tesla saw this trend and decided it was the perfect time to join the e-bike world. Tesla is not just a car company. They are all about clean energy and making the future better. By making an e-bike, Tesla is giving people another great way to travel without using gas and polluting the air. Even though we don't have all the details yet, there are some cool things we expect from Tesla's e-bike. Here are a few. Tesla's cars are famous for their autopilot, which helps the car drive itself. Imagine having a bike that can help you navigate and keep you safe on the road. That would be amazing. The autopilot feature can make sure you stay on the right path and avoid obstacles, making your ride smoother and safer. Another feature is its screen could show you directions, speed, and other important information. And since it's water-resistant, you won't have to worry about riding in the rain. Having all the information you need right in front of you can make your ride much easier and more enjoyable. It also has traffic sensors. These sensors can detect cars and other vehicles around you, making your ride safer. They can alert you if a car is getting too close, or if there is something in your way. This can help prevent accidents and keep you safe. Tesla's e-bike will have a powerful battery called the 4680 battery. This battery can go over 50 miles on a single charge, which is more than most e-bikes that usually go about 30 miles. This means you can ride longer without worrying about running out of power. Even though it has a big battery, the Tesla e-bike will be lighter than many other e-bikes. This makes it easier to ride and handle. A lighter bike is also easier to carry and store, which is a big plus. If your bike gets stolen, you can track it with the built-in GPS. This is a great feature to have. Knowing you can find your bike if it goes missing gives you peace of mind. The handle on the Tesla e-bike won't move like regular bike handles. Instead, it will detect pressure on the sides to help you steer. This new way of turning might feel strange at first, but it could make riding easier and more fun. People are very excited about Tesla's e-bike for many reasons. First, Tesla is known for making high-quality, innovative products. Second, an e-bike is a great way to get around. It's good for the environment because it doesn't use gas. And it's also good for your health because it encourages you to exercise. The e-bike market is growing fast. In 2023, the global market for e-bikes was worth $49.1 billion. By 2028, it's expected to grow to $62.3 billion. That's a lot of money. With fuel prices going up and people looking for eco-friendly ways to travel, e-bikes are becoming more popular. While e-bikes are great, there are some challenges too. For example, in Europe, e-bike sales dropped in 2023 because of economic problems like inflation and wars. People didn't want to spend extra money on e-bikes during tough times. But things might get better in 2024 as more people start using e-bikes for commuting and fun. Tesla isn't the only car company making e-bikes. Other companies like Porsche, BMW, Polestar, and Rivian are also entering the e-bike market. Each company is trying to make the best e-bike with different features and designs. E-bikes don't use gas, so they don't pollute the air. This makes them a great choice for the environment. If more people ride e-bikes instead of driving cars, it can help reduce pollution and make the air cleaner. E-bikes are perfect for getting around town. You can avoid traffic jams and find parking more easily. Plus, with features like GPS and autopilot, getting lost is less likely. E-bikes can also be used for short trips, like going to the store or visiting friends, which makes them very practical. Compared to cars, e-bikes are much cheaper. They cost less to buy and maintain. Plus, you don't have to pay for gas. This makes e-bikes a great option for people who want to save money on transportation. Tesla's e-bike will charge very quickly. It might only take about 10 minutes to fully charge, which is mind-blowing. This means you won't have to wait long to get back on the road. Tesla's e-bike has the potential to change the way we travel. Here's how. If more people use e-bikes instead of cars, there will be fewer cars on the road. This can help reduce traffic jams and make commuting faster for everyone. E-bikes are much cheaper than cars. They cost less to buy, and you don't have to pay for gas. This means people can save a lot of money by using e-bikes for their daily commutes. Riding an e-bike is a great way to stay active. It's fun, and it encourages people to exercise more. This can help improve overall health and well-being. E-bikes don't produce emissions like cars do. This means they are much better for the environment. By using e-bikes, we can help reduce pollution and fight climate change. Tesla has a strong reputation for making high-quality electric vehicles. If they can bring the same level of innovation to their e-bike, they could become a major player in the e-bike industry. This means more people might choose e-bikes over cars, leading to less traffic and pollution in cities. Tesla is known for its innovative technology and high-quality products. Their cars have features like autopilot, long-lasting batteries, and sleek designs. If they can incorporate these features into their e-bike, it will be a game-changer. Tesla's e-bike is expected to be competitively priced at around $2,100. This is a good price compared to other e-bikes on the market. With Tesla's reputation for quality, this makes their e-bike an attractive option for many people. The e-bike industry is heading towards a greener and smarter future. New technology is making e-bikes lighter, faster, and more efficient. For example, advancements in carbon fiber technology make e-bikes very light, and better batteries mean you can travel farther on a single charge. Technology is always improving, and e-bikes are no exception. New batteries are being developed that last longer and charge faster. Motors are becoming more powerful and efficient, and new materials are making e-bikes lighter and stronger. As more people learn about the benefits of e-bikes, they are becoming more popular. People are looking for eco-friendly ways to travel, and e-bikes are a great option. They are also becoming more affordable, making them accessible to more people. Elon Musk's announcement of Tesla's e-bike is big news. With Tesla's history of innovation and the growing popularity of e-bikes, this new product could be a game-changer. Whether you're looking for a fun way to exercise, a practical way to commute, or an eco-friendly way to travel, Tesla's e-bike might be the perfect choice. We can't wait to see what Tesla's e-bike will bring to the world of personal transportation. We've explored the unique features that set Tesla's e-bike apart from the competition, from its advanced autopilot to its long-lasting battery. We've also delved into the exciting future of Tesla in the e-bike market, with its potential to revolutionize personal transportation. And finally, we've answered the big question: can the Tesla e-bike really replace a car for daily commuting? With its impressive range, innovative safety features, and eco-friendly design, it certainly makes a compelling case. If you're as excited as we are about Tesla's e-bike, make sure to hit the subscribe button for more updates and insights. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Your support helps us bring you more great content. Leave your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear what you think about Tesla's latest innovation. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.